Subscribe to our channel now and never miss a chance to fulfill your travel dreams. Start your day with a trip to the marvelous desert of Dubai and enjoy an adventurous desert safari. Learn about the past of Dubai with a trip to Al Fahidi Fort, which houses the Dubai Museum. Shop for some precious jewelry made of gold and diamond at reasonable prices at the Dubai Gold Souk. Enjoy lunch and shopping at the largest mall in the world, the Dubai Mall. Do not miss the enchanting Dubai Aquarium inside the Dubai Mall. Get the chance to check out several species of fishes and other marine animals here. Visit the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. The observation deck on the 124th floor would give you a 360-degree view of the entire city. Marvel at the amazing performance of the Dubai fountains while listening to the soulful music which would not fail to stir your heart. End the eventful day with a unique dinner experience on the Dhow Cruise. Choose the Dhow Cruise dinner on Dubai Marina to get a chance to admire the view of the sparkling city. Make sure you subscribe our channel so you don't miss any new video.